Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. In previous class, we have completed this question time, children. Okay, I asked you to read this and send to me, but only few they have sent. Again, I am reading these questions, children. You once observe and practice. Okay, and later you try to do. King Minos released King Aegeus from prison under one condition. What was it? King Minos released Aegeus from prison under one condition. Aegeus would send 7 men and 7 women from Athens every year to Crete. Where did Minotaur live? Minotaur lived inside a maze from where he could not escape. I will kill the creature so that we do not have to be scared of King Minos anymore. Who said this to whom? Why? Theseus said this to Aegeus. Theseus wanted to kill Minotaur so that Aegeus would be free from his promise to Minos to send innocent Athenians as food for Minotaur. How did Theseus defeat Minotaur? King Minos' daughter Ariadne sent a letter to Theseus along with a sword for killing Minotaur and a ball of string. With the help of these things, Theseus defeated the Minotaur. Okay, these are the questions, children. And fifth question is, arrange the following events in the order of their occurrence in the story. Okay, these sentences we have to keep in order by keeping the numbers like this. Okay, first one is, Aegeus was defeated by King Minos. Aegeus was captured. Theseus went to Crete. Ariadne helped Theseus. Theseus killed Minotaur. Like this. 2, 5, 1, 4, 3. Okay. Like this the questions are, children. And the story order also. And now turn your pages to studio page number 73. Literature check. Theseus and Minotaur is a popular mythological story. What do you mean by mythological story? The word myth comes from the Greek words mythos, meaning story or a word. Mythological story means that word myth is come from a Greek word mythos. It means a story or a word. Read more about mythological stories. Mythological stories means what? Means, see, myths are stories about gods or goddesses. Okay, these are stories about gods and goddesses. ఈ స్టోరీస్లో గాడ్స్ కోసం అలాగే దేవతల కోసం దేవుళ్ళ కోసం ఉంటుందన్నమాట. Mythical or imaginary creatures and brave heroes and heroines. In these stories, who will be there? Brave heroes will be there, brave heroines will be there, and princess will be there, and goddesses also will be there. Mythological characters are both good and bad also. Sometimes the characters will be good and sometimes the characters may be bad also. Okay, this story about Theseus and Minotaur is a myth that originated in Greece. Okay, this is also a mythological story. This one also is a myth. From where it is originated? From Greece. From Greece it has been originated. Okay, now see, know more about Greek gods. Okay, some more Greek gods are there. We will learn about this in companion 6a. Open everyone yours companion 6a. 6a means in page number 37, children. Theseus and Minotaur. Theseus and Minotaur are Greek mythological characters. Okay, these both are Greek mythological characters. One is good one and Minotaur is bad one. Look at the images of other Greek gods. Describe the characters in your own words. See, remaining three Greek gods they have given: Zeus, Poseidon, Apollo. Okay, these three also Greek gods only. Now we have to describe these three gods with our own words. In that we can describe, we can add what they look like, వాళ్ళు ఎలా కనిపిస్తున్నారు, what they are carrying with them, what they are carrying, each one they are having something in their hands. Okay, what they are carrying with them, and what do you think, okay, what you think could be their పవర్. ఓకే, మనం వాళ్ళ పవర్స్ ఏమై ఉంటాయి అని అనుకుంటామో వాటిని కూడా ఇక్కడ డిస్క్రైబ్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, దిస్ వన్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ అండ్ ఐ విల్ సెండ్ టు ఇన్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్. యూ కేర్ఫుల్లీ write down children. Most of you are writing neatly, very good. I appreciate you children. Some of you are making mistakes and not with proper handwriting. Okay, you please check yourself and try to write with neat handwriting in cursive only. Okay, you have to maintain cursive writing only. Okay children, this is about today's English class. Thank you.